Iceland, a land of stark contrasts, where fire meets ice. Volcanoes erupt amidst glaciers, steaming geothermal pools dot a landscape sculpted by ice and wind. This is a place where nature's raw power is on full display. It's a land of myth and legend, of Vikings and trolls, of hidden people and the ethereal northern lights. Iceland is a photographer's dream, and a paradise for adventurers. Join us now as we embark on a journey to this land of fire and ice. Imagine standing beneath a cascading waterfall, the spray on your face, the roar of the water echoing in your ears, or picture yourself hiking across a glacier, the crunch of your boots on the ice, the vast expanse of blue and white stretching out before you. In Iceland, the elements collide in a symphony of natural wonders. Volcanic activity creates geothermal pools and geysers that erupt in plumes of steam. The northern lights dance across the sky, a celestial ballet of color and light. Our journey will take us to some of Iceland's most iconic destinations. We'll soak in the Blue Lagoon's geothermal waters, hike to the top of towering waterfalls, and explore the ice caves and crevasses of Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier. We'll witness the raw power of Iceland's volcanoes, and stand in awe beneath the dancing northern lights. Get ready to experience Iceland in all its glory. Through stunning 4K footage and breathtaking time lapses, we'll capture the beauty and power of this incredible country. Our Icelandic adventure begins just a short drive from Reykjavik, where the rugged beauty of the landscape sets the stage for an unforgettable experience. In the heart of a volcanic landscape lies the Blue Lagoon, a place where nature and relaxation come together in perfect harmony. A geothermal spa like no other, the Blue Lagoon offers a unique blend of natural beauty and soothing waters. Imagine stepping into a steaming oasis surrounded by black lava fields, where the contrast of the dark rocks and the milky blue water creates a surreal atmosphere. The air is thick with the scent of sulfur, a reminder of the geothermal activity that powers this incredible place. As you descend into the milky blue waters, you feel the warmth envelop you, melting away the stresses of everyday life. The water, rich in silica and minerals, leaves your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated, a natural spa treatment provided by the earth itself. It's no wonder the Blue Lagoon is renowned for its therapeutic properties, attracting visitors from all over the world seeking relaxation and healing. A perfect start to our journey, the Blue Lagoon sets the tone for the adventures that lie ahead in this land of fire and ice. The Blue Lagoon is more than just a spa. It's a place of healing and rejuvenation. The geothermal waters are said to have therapeutic benefits for various skin conditions. Immersing yourself in the warm, mineral-rich waters has a calming effect on the mind and spirit. It's a place to reconnect with nature and with yourself. What gives the Blue Lagoon its distinctive blue color? It's the silica, a natural element found in the geothermal water. The silica reflects sunlight, creating the milky blue hue that the lagoon is famous for. It also contributes to the lagoon's therapeutic properties, forming a soft white mud that visitors can apply to their skin. Leaving the geothermal embrace of the Blue Lagoon, we venture further into Iceland's southern coast. Among these aqueous wonders, Seljalandsfoss stands out, a majestic torrent plunging from a towering cliff face. As we approach, the roar of the water announces its presence long before the waterfall comes into view. The water plummets over 60 meters, crashing into the pool below with a deafening roar. The sheer force of the water is mesmerizing, a testament to the relentless power of nature. Behind the veil, a unique perspective, a hidden path carved into the cliff face, allows explorers to venture behind the cascading curtain of water. As we step onto the path, the air grows heavy with moisture, the sound of the rushing water amplified. Walking behind Seljalandsfoss is an experience that borders on the surreal. The world outside is transformed into a shimmering kaleidoscope of light and water. It is a moment of pure sensory overload, a feeling of being utterly immersed in the raw power of nature. Skogafoss, a tapestry of water and light. Leaving the ethereal beauty of Seljalandsfoss behind, we journey eastward to Skogafoss. Skogafoss is a study in raw power and the interplay of light and water. The waterfall measures 25 meters wide and drops over 60 meters into the pool below. On sunny days, a shimmering rainbow often graces the mist at the base of the falls, adding a touch of magic to an already breathtaking scene. Stepping onto the ice giant, our destination, Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier. As we approach, the glacier reveals itself slowly, a distant white smudge on the horizon. Donning crampons and ice axes, we take our first tentative steps onto the glacier. The air is crisp and cold, carrying the faint scent of snow and ice. Venturing deeper onto Vatnajökull is like stepping into an otherworldly landscape. The world transforms into a surreal mosaic of blue and white, the ice sculpted by wind and water. Deep crevasses snake across the surface, a reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath our feet. The silence is broken only by the crunch of our boots and the occasional groan of the ice. Though seemingly static, Vatnajökull is a living entity, constantly moving and reshaping itself. Our guides point out evidence of this glacial ballet moraines, meltwater streams, and ice caves. To stand on Vatnajökull is to feel the pulse of the planet, to witness the raw power of nature at work. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the immense forces that have shaped our world. Leaving the icy embrace of Vatnajökull, we journey now into the fiery heart of Iceland. Iceland straddles the mid-Atlantic ridge, a giant fissure in the Earth's crust where two tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart. This geological dance has given birth to some of the most dramatic landscapes on Earth. As we venture deeper, the landscape transforms dramatically into vast lava fields and steaming vents. Our destination is Fagradalsfjall, a volcanic system that roared back to life in 2021. The eruption captivated the world, drawing scientists and tourists alike. From a safe distance, we watch in awe as molten lava erupts from the Earth's crust. The lava, glowing a vibrant orange-red, illuminates the night sky, casting an eerie glow on the surrounding landscape. Iceland's volcanic activity provides a unique opportunity to harness the Earth's heat for geothermal energy. Geothermal power plants tap into the Earth's heat to generate electricity and provide hot water. We visit one such plant, where engineers and scientists are working to harness this powerful resource. The plant stands as a testament to the potential of harnessing the Earth's power in a sustainable way. From the fiery heart of Iceland's volcanic regions, we venture to Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon and the adjacent Diamond Beach. As we approach, the landscape unfolds before us, a vast expanse of black sand stretching towards the horizon. Jökulsárlón is a place of ethereal beauty, a constantly shifting tableau of icebergs calved from the nearby Breiðamerkurjökull glacier. These icebergs drift serenely across the lagoon's surface, their icy blue hues contrasting sharply with the black volcanic sand. The icebergs of Jökulsárlón are more than just chunks of ice. They are ancient relics, each with a story to tell, frozen in time. Each one is a unique sculpture, molded by time and the forces of nature into a work of art. These icebergs have been shaped over centuries, their forms ever-changing. As we navigate the lagoon by boat, the silence is broken only by the gentle lapping of the water against the ice. The tranquility of this place is almost surreal, a stark contrast to the dynamic forces that created it. The icebergs themselves are a study in contrasts. Some are pristine white, while others are streaked with volcanic ash, telling tales of eruptions long past. Their surfaces, sculpted by wind and water, are etched with intricate patterns and textures. These natural carvings are like fingerprints. No two icebergs are exactly alike. These variations in color and texture create a mesmerizing visual tapestry, a testament to the artistry of nature. The lagoon is a living gallery, showcasing the ever-evolving beauty of ice. As the icebergs drift towards the mouth of the lagoon, they are met by the relentless force of the Atlantic Ocean. The waves reshape the icebergs, breaking them apart and pushing them onto the black sand beach where they lie scattered like diamonds. Walking along Diamond Beach is a surreal experience. The icebergs, bathed in the soft light of the setting sun, glow with an otherworldly luminescence. As our Icelandic adventure draws to a close, we prepare for a final spectacle, the Northern Lights. Imagine a sky ablaze with color, shimmering curtains of green, purple, and pink dancing across the star-studded canvas of the night. To witness the Northern Lights is to experience a profound sense of wonder. And then, as if on cue, the show begins. Faint streaks of green appear, shimmering like celestial ribbons against the dark backdrop of the night sky. These ethereal lights, known as the Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis, are one of nature's most mesmerizing phenomena. They captivate the imagination and stir the soul, offering a glimpse into the mysteries of our universe. As the minutes pass, the streaks grow in intensity, transforming into vibrant curtains of light that dance and swirl, their colors shifting from green to purple to pink as if painted by an unseen hand. The sky becomes a canvas and the auroras are the brushstrokes of a cosmic artist, creating a masterpiece that is both fleeting and unforgettable. The stars above seem to twinkle in rhythm with the aurora's celestial ballet, creating a symphony of light that fills us with a sense of awe and insignificance. It's a humbling experience, reminding us of our small place in the vast expanse of the cosmos, and yet it also connects us to something greater. Iceland, with its dramatic landscapes, its raw natural beauty, and its celestial wonders, has a way of staying with you long after you've left its shores. The rugged terrain, the volcanic mountains, and the serene glaciers all contribute to a sense of otherworldly beauty that is hard to find anywhere else. It's a place that awakens the senses, that reminds us of the power and beauty of the natural world, and that inspires a sense of adventure and a longing to explore the far corners of our planet. Whether you're hiking through its vast landscapes or simply soaking in a hot spring, Iceland offers an experience that is both invigorating and peaceful. So, if Iceland isn't already on your bucket list, add it now. This land of fire and ice promises an adventure that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime, and prepare to be amazed. The magic of Iceland awaits, ready to enchant and inspire you. Please subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite destination in Iceland. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you.